guys, welcome back to Classes of. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a GFX. So let's get to it. Okay, so what you want to do is go into your toolbox to the model section and search up aesthetic room. And then you can find an aesthetic room you like. So I just like finding ones that look nice as the thumbnail is, and then clicking it and then seeing which one's the best. And yeah, it does take quite a long time for me to pick because I'm kind of picky. So I picked the room right now. Here it is. I picked it because that's totally a camera that's ready to be a Roblox, a mini Roblox person because I play Roblox. I wouldn't be making this Roblox. Beanie. I don't know. I feel like that's not my personality. And yeah, I just like the room. It looks really nice, and they have a succulent too. I like succulent. Okay, so what you want to do now is go to plugins and click the little character. How you get that is go in your toolbox, go to the plugin section, find the low character plugin, search it up, then you click the free one. I got the free one, not the Roblox one. Now, click on load character, search up my character, and spawn R15, not spawn at origin, because I don't know where my origin is, so that's why. Now I'm just going to move my character into the room. One thing you have to be sure of is that your collisions and constraints aren't on, and your join surface is on. If you have your join surface on, it's a lot easier, but if you have collisions and constraints on, then it's hard. So yeah, now I'm gonna move it. I'm making like this cute picture where where you have like the bunny is being, I'm holding the bunny. So now what I'm gonna do is go to the animation editor and plugin. I'm gonna click on my character. I'm gonna give it a random name. When I'm gonna make names, I just type in random letters in the keyboard. I'm like, yeah. Now I'm just gonna move it because it's easier to see. I like seeing my actual items. Yeah, now I'm gonna be rotating the character. So first I have to click that plus button, add all, so all my things are there. Now if I click the torso, it's gonna move my whole body, not just the torso. So whenever you want, you move your whole body, click the torso. The lower torso. Upper torso only does the top. The lower torso does everything. So yeah, now I'm just gonna be moving my GFX around. Yeah. So if you want, if instead of like zooming up and clicking the specific body part, what you can do is you can use that thing and click on the name. So yeah, now you can like rotate it, move it. If you want to just use these, the move and rotate on the top to do those. And yeah, and then you can just form it however you want. So I'll be back with you guys when we're done moving things around. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on my name in the workspace. So you want to click on it until it lets you type there. So when it lets you type there, you delete your name and put a dot so that your name's not so visible when you take the picture. So we got out of the animation editor, but don't worry, we'll be getting back into it. So you see you can't see my name anymore. So how you get back into your editor is you go back to animation editor and it saves the thing and it's like right there, magic. So I changed my face. I'll show you how to change your face and shirt and pants in another video. So yeah. Right now what I'm gonna do is I'm done my animation. And what I'm gonna do is just find a bunch of angles to take photos with. So like that, cause GFXs making the poses are hard. So like once you get a pose, you should take a bunch of photos with different angles. So yeah, I'm just gonna be experimenting with some angles. Okay, now I'm going to show you the end photos. So I have this, like the different angles I took, this, and this is the one I edited, and that's how it looked. So yeah, if you want in another video, you can show you how to edit. But that's the end of this video. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye.